Hi everyone. Welcome to today's lesson on calculating the cost per square inch of a circular object. You can see that on our opening slide, we are looking at one circular object, a very common circular object, a pizza. We could always calculate the cost per square inch of a pizza. In order to calculate the cost per square inch, you must be able to find the area of a circle. If you need to at this time, please pause the video and jot down that area of a circle formula. As soon as you're ready, you can resume the video. Next, please jot down some steps for calculating the cost per square inch. Those steps are, number 1, calculate the area of the circular object. Reminder that formula is area is equal to pi times the radius of the circle squared. The second step is going to be to divide the cost of the circular object by that area you just calculated. Let's take a look at an example. All right, in our example, Josie bought a large cookie cake for $16.99. The diameter of the cookie cake was 14 inches. What is the cost per square inch of the cookie cake? Okay, you can see from the diagram that the cookie cake is round, so it is a circle. And our first step is going to be to find the area of the circle. Okay, so first step, reminder that the formula that we're working with is area is equal to pi times the radius squared. However, in this problem, they're telling us the diameter of the cookie cake is 14 inches. Quick reminder that diameter is equal to the radius doubled. Okay, so in order for us to figure out the radius, we can take the diameter divided by 2. And we now know that the radius of the cookie cake is 7 inches. Let's substitute what we know into our formula. We're going to use the abbreviated version of pi, 3.14, times that radius squared. All right, now we're going to go ahead and grab our calculator. All right, and I'm going to punch in 3.14 times 7 squared. And I get 153.86. And that's going to be square inches. Okay, so the area of the cookie cake is 153.86 square inches. Step number 2 is going to be to divide the price or the cost of the circular object by the area. So our cost is $16.99 divided by 153.86 square inches. Okay, so clear my calculator. 16.99 divided by 153.86. And I don't know if you can see that. I got kind of a glare going on. That looks to be 0.11042, etc. Reminder that we are calculating a cost. So we want this to be in terms of dollars. And actually, since we have $0, we're going to be calculating how many cents. And we're going to round to the hundredths place because that's how our money system works. The number after the hundredths place is a 0, which means we're not going to round up, meaning our cost of our cookie cake is 11 cents per square inch. And that's how it's done, ladies and gentlemen. All right, give it a try. Good luck and have a great day.